Hello everyone. In this video, we would be learning enlargement. Enlargement is a type of a transformation in which an object becomes bigger or smaller in size. There are certain things that describe an enlargement. Number one, the scale factor, which is given as K. So K can be greater than 0 or it can be less than 0. This tells us in which direction the image is going to go. If K is greater than 1 or if it is less than 1, that means our image will either be an enlarged image or it will be a shrinked image. Enlargement can also be written in form of a matrix. So this is how you represent enlargement in the form of a matrix, K0 and 0K. The other thing is the center point. So these are the two things that describe an enlargement. Let's start with the question. The question says the center is the origin, which is 0, 0, and the scale factor is 2. So what I'm going to do is one at a time, I'm going to take the points. Let's join the first point with the center. So the first step is to join the points. The second step is to count the boxes, 1 box, 2 box. Then multiply 2 boxes with the scale factor, which is 2, and your answer is 4. So from the center, I have to go 4 steps forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. So my point is going to come over here. This is my first point. Let's look at the second point. First, join it with the center point. Count the number of boxes, 1 box, 2 box, 3 box, 4 box. 4 times 2 is 8. So one more, another, and it comes over here. You can do it better using a ruler. The third point. So let's first join it. Now let's count the boxes. First box, second box. 2 boxes times 2 is 4. So 1 and 2 again. So this is the third point. And I see the points of my triangle. Let's join the points and form the triangle. This is your enlarged image. Now you can just count the number of boxes. For example, if there's just 1 box here, then 1 times 2 is 2. So there are 2 boxes here. If there are 2 boxes here, then 2 times 2 is 4. So there are 4 boxes here. This is how you will check your enlarged image. The second question. Scale factor is half over here, which means that my image is going to be a shrinked image. Center is 3, minus 1. First point out your center, which is 3, minus 1. Now start joining the points. Let's take the first point. First point joined. Now count the number of boxes. 1 box, 2 box. 2 multiplied by half is 1. So I am going to count just 1 box from my center. So my first box is over here. This is my first point. Let's look at the second point. First, join it with the center. Then count the number of boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 divided by 2 is 2, which means 1 box, 2 box. The point should come over here. So I'm marking my point. This is over here. All right, the third point now. First, join it with the center. You can use your ruler for accuracy. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 boxes. 6 divided by 2 is 3. So let's count 3 boxes now. 1 box, 2 box, 3 box. So the point is over here. I see the points. I'm going to join them in the form of a triangle. There you go. You can see that this is an enlarged image and this is a smaller version of it. Why? Because the scale factor is half. Let's move on to the next question. The next question says that the scale factor is -2 and the center is origin. Now -2 is less than 0, which means we will be going in the opposite direction. Okay, so first of all, let's point out the origin, which is the center point. Origin is over here. So from here, I have to start counting. Let's start counting. So 1 box from here, which means 1 times 2 is 2. So 2 boxes from the origin will come over here. This is the first point. Let's mark our first point. The second point is this one. So we have 3 boxes. 3 times 2 is 6. So let's move 6 boxes in the same opposite direction. 1 and 6. 6 comes over here. So this is our second point. Then we have the third point. Let's count the boxes. This is our origin, 4 boxes down, which means again 4 boxes down will come over here, and 4 boxes again will come over here. So this is the last point. Let's join them in the form of a triangle, and there you go. Okay, let's move on to the next question. The next question is, enlarge the shaded triangle by a scale factor of 2, center O. We will be joining the points with the center, like I told you earlier. Join them. Start joining from the center. So this is the center, the first point, and since the scale factor is positive 2, that means I have to go 2 times in the same direction. So 1 and 2. My first point is here. Let's look at the second point. So this is the second point, 3 boxes. That means 3 boxes forward will come over here. Okay, ruler makes it so much easier, but since I don't have it over here, so I have to do it myself like this. Okay, then we have the third point, which is here. 3 boxes means 6 boxes in all. So it will be coming over here. Here. Let's join them. This is very simple. Just if you start visualizing your object, it becomes very simple. So this is the enlarged object. Next question. Describe fully the single transformation which takes A onto B. Now, this is a type of a question where they've already enlarged the image for you and they're asking for the description. Description means the scale factor and the center point. So for center point, what you're going to do is you will be joining all the corresponding points and there will be a point of intersection of all the lines. That is the center point. Like for example, in this case, let's join them. This is the first point. Then we have, and I'm extending the lines if you can see, the second point, the third point, and the fourth point. Now you can see that they're all meeting at one point, which is the origin. So my center is the origin, which is 0, 0. Okay, you also have to describe what transformation it is. So make sure you write enlargement first, right? Enlargement, center point is 0, 0. And the scale factor. How do you check the scale factor? Now, this is interesting. So take any corresponding sides. I'm taking this side and this side. Okay, so there are 3 boxes here and there's just 1 box here. So 3 divided by 1. What is the formula for this? The formula is the image, the enlarged image and the original image. So 3 divided by 1, your answer is 3. So the scale factor is 3 in this case. Let's do one more for one more similar question like this. Describe fully the transformation. So first of all, join the corresponding points like this and extend them. Second one, extend it. The third one and extend it. Please do all of this using your ruler. This is the point, which is the origin again. So it is enlargement. Your center is 0, 0. And let's find the scale factors. So scale factor, let's take this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 boxes and 2 boxes over here. So 6 divided by 2, your answer is 3 again. So the scale factor over here is 3. And what if they ask you to write this in form of a matrix? You will be writing 3, 0, 0, 3. Okay, that's it. Enlargement is pretty simple. Just learn how to make an enlarged image and how to find the description of it if the enlarged image is given to you already. Remember the 2 important points, the scale factor and the center point, and you're done with the topic. Thank you very much. Have a good day.